In this video, we listed the 5 best 4K dash camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a car DVR dashcam available in 2-channel, 4K front plus FHD rear, or 3-channel, 2K front plus FHD cabin plus FHD rear, configurations. It boasts features such as 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video downloads, built-in GPS for tracking speed and location, and IR night vision for clear recordings in low light. The dashcam supports up to 25 frames per second, loop cycle recording, audio recording, and has a wide 150-degree view angle. It comes with a 64GB TF card and offers 24H parking monitoring with collision detection and time-lapse modes. Accessories include a charger, cable, and crowbar for installation. The device is controlled via an app, has a built-in screen, and supports up to 256GB of external memory. Number 2. Ddpai N5. The Ddpai Dashcam 4K N5 Dual is a high-resolution car DVR system featuring a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, offering superior image quality with night VIS and real cube technologies for enhanced visuals in various lighting conditions. It includes features like a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, loop cycle recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, and ADAS. Notably, it incorporates AI-based radar motion detection for enhanced security, D2 Save 2.0 dual memory storage, 512GB microSD plus 32GB eMMC, a reliable supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, and smart voice control. It connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tracks routes with built-in GPS, and is compatible with the Ddpai app. Number 3. Wolfbox I07. The Wolfbox I07 is a triple-camera dashcam system designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. It features front, 150 degrees, interior, 160 degrees, and rear, 155 degrees, cameras recording in up to 4K resolution, front, and 1080p, interior and rear, ensuring detailed capture of driving events. Key features include night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone app integration, dual parking monitoring modes, collision boot and time-lapse, a Type-C power supply with super capacitors for improved reliability, and easy rear camera installation. The dashcam includes functionalities like loop recording, G-sensor, and support for up to 128GB of storage. It's designed for ease of use with a 3-inch IPS touchscreen and is suitable for both personal and professional drivers, Uber, Lyft, taxi, offering robust evidence capture and vehicle security. Number 4. Kawa D10. The Kawa D10 is a 4K front and 1080p rear dashcam designed for cars, featuring AI ISP technology, a Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor for superior night vision, and a 3.16-inch IPS screen. It boasts a wide 150 degrees viewing angle, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity for app control, loop cycle recording, G-sensor for emergency recording, and parking motion detection. Powered by a supercapacitor for durability, it offers advanced features like lens distortion correction, LDC, wide dynamic range, WDR, and H.265 video encoding for efficient storage. The package includes a Kawa 64GB microSD card, and the device comes with a 1-year warranty, with fast shipping options available from US and EU warehouses. Number 5. Redtiger A4. This Redtiger F7N S dashcam, a 4K front-facing camera with optional 1080p rear camera, designed for car recording. Key features include a wide f1.55 aperture, enhanced night vision, loop recording, collision detection, and parking monitoring. It utilizes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast data transfer to the Redtiger app, iOS, Android, and supports external GPS, G-sensor, motion detection, and wide dynamic range. The dashcam records audio and video in MP4 format using H.264 codec, with a maximum frame rate of 30 frames per second and a 130 to 170 degree view angle. It accepts up to 256 GB SD cards and has a built-in battery with capacitance technology, powered via a corded electric connection, Type-C. Installation is simplified with included accessories for mounting on the center console or windshield, while users can control the dashcam with voice or touch commands.